For the first time, we see a clean race in Baku despite the track's history, which made for a boring race, but hey, it's better than nothing. Welcome to Veloce Motoren. We make videos about Formula 1, Formula E, planes, and hypercars. So subscribe if you want to see more. Mercedes have another 1-2 finish with Vettel in third. Kvyat and Ricciardo retired after an unusual incident, and they're joined in the DNS by Grosjean and Gasly. I think that Ferrari is going to dominate FP1, 2, and 3, but Mercedes will dominate quali and the race as usual. And I also continue my prediction that it's going to be a boring season. I've decided to add another section to these videos. This section focuses on an interesting story that happened over the race weekend, which I want to share my opinion about. So this time I've decided to focus on Leclerc's strategy. Bear with me here. Since he set a fast lap in Q2, he went to Q3. But there was just a small problem. He crashed in Q2, which means that although he went to Q3, he didn't set any laps. So he started 8th on medium tires. But everyone around him was starting on new soft tires since they didn't get to Q3. This meant that he was effectively a sitting duck for the first few laps. He did eventually quicken up when everyone else's soft tires had degraded, but he couldn't pit to protect himself since he couldn't stretch a set of softs to the end. But he couldn't use mediums either because you have to use at least 2 different tire compounds during the race. So he had to stay out longer than he should have and was placed in a strategic middle ground where none of the strategies were the best ones. That concludes our video. Tell me what you thought of the new segment.